All right, just look at these video clips generated by OpenAI's Sora. This is insane. It's going to completely change the video production and video editing industry, which is currently going through a boom, right? We're feeling great. There's lots of jobs in video production, video editing. What is this going to do? Stream Geeks, what is going on? If you are a video production expert, if you make videos, edit videos, shoot videos, you're on camera, I would like to discuss with you the potential impact, the inevitable impact of AI in video production. If you work in this industry, check this video out and let me know what you think in the comments below, because this is a big issue and we're all gonna have to deal with it. So over the past couple years, if you've been in video production, live streaming, you know it's been a crazy ride, okay? There has been an increased demand for video content, for live streaming, for video communications all across the world, especially starting this decade off in 2020. If you're in video production, you've had a boom in your business demand, and it's still continuing here through 2024. We are about a year and a half in from OpenAI releasing ChatGPT. And Google has Bard and Gemini, and the AI revolution has started. It hasn't really impacted live streaming and video production negatively. In fact, when we look at the charts, we see a 40% increase in jobs posted on Upwork since the launch of ChatGPT. So to me, what does that mean? Is AI having a positive impact in video production? I'm going to say yes. Why? I've got two potential reasons why, and I think both are true. Number one, I think it's easier to write a script, to write a video campaign and deploy it when you have an AI assistant. So in that way, AI is helping customers, video production experts, just get the writing, get the ideas, get the plan down. I also believe that ChatGPT and these AI tools are, quite frankly, recommending video campaigns, video production ideas to millions of users who are asking basic questions like, how do I grow my business in 2024? So right now, AI is doing an awesome job helping us here in video production. But that's not true in other parts of the industry. If you look at this chart, you'll see that writers are losing, there's a lot less demand for writing. There's a lot less demand for social media. And there's a lot less demand in many, many categories. And we're all going to deal with changes in job demand. I'm guessing many of you have used ChatGPT. It's an amazing tool. But if you think about how much ChatGPT has changed the world recently, OpenAI's Sora, S-O-R-A, is a text-to-video tool that I think could easily change video production and live streaming. I mean, seriously, just look at this footage. Imagine you're on location and you're shooting, video, and you need a drone shot. Well, why would you buy a drone when you can just tell the AI exactly what you need and it'll go up and get you these awesome shots, all that B-roll, the close-up B-roll. I'm guessing you can have really detailed prompts that can tell it the color grade. I mean, you can even color grade and post-produce this video after you get it from Sora. So there's so many, all the secondary B-roll, all the supporting wide shots, all of that stuff, you don't even have to leave your computer to get anymore. Crazy. If you could just type in exactly what you want and get a stunning video, maybe it's not perfect the first time. Maybe you got to do it 2 or 3 times. But you don't have to pack up a camera. You don't have to go on location. You don't have to get talent. If that's true, which is what they're promising, this is going to significantly change video production. So wave 1 really benefited video producers, right? This wave 1 of AI, the ChatGPT, we're seeing a boost in video production, the jobs posted for video editing. ChatGPT's out there suggesting that people in millions a day telling people to create videos, and it's working. It's causing tons of, benefit for video producers. But it's this wave 2 that I worry about. And that's why I would like for you guys to subscribe to this channel, because I'm really passionate about covering this wave 2, and I'm really wondering, how do video producers reinvent ourselves in 2024 when wave 2, when these customized tools that you can just upload all of your videos to it and it outputs a fully edited video, whether it's for your home family video or for a professional corporate video. I think this tech is almost here, and we have to think about how that's going to impact us. In my opinion, there is going to be a second wave where we're going to start saying, okay, there's so much AI-generated videos out there. The value of live video production, authentic connectivity, is going to rise above and be key. And I think that there's still a lot of demand for people who need live production, live events, that can't be replicated by an AI bot in the cloud. So I do think a lot of video producers are going to shift their businesses to live production and live events. So I'm interested to know what you guys think about that. And I think we're at a crossroads here. I really do. I think the industry is changing so quickly. For some reason, video production has been spared. In fact, we're seeing benefits from all of this. But I think it's a temporary boost, and we really are going to need to pivot and combine our skills, right? Writing is going to be less important. It just is. I mean, look at the chart. But we're going to have to combine these skills, writing, video editing, production, maybe even web development, into what we consider what is now live streaming and video production. There's so many of us out there who created businesses, great businesses, where we don't have a union here at live streaming and video production, right? We're a bunch of small independent entrepreneurs and small businesses serving this market. And we cannot let AI absorb it, right? So I'll be talking about this more, but I did want to ring a little bit of a bell today and say, if Sora, the SOAR ChatGPT new OpenAI tool, is anything like ChatGPT, we're in for a significant change. This is a big deal, and we're going to have to really reinvent who we are as a community. And I think the 2024 Stream Geek Summit is something where in 2023, we talked about AI, but this year is going to be different. It really is. If you feel the same way, let me know in the comments below. All right, see you guys.